welcome to our first home in Morocco. Come on in. Welcome everyone, welcome to our first home in Morocco. And look how beautiful this is. So that was the main door of the room as you walked in. And right beside me is the big ass cupboards. Look at them. So I was looking for a big mirror. Look, the mirror is right here. Alright. And another one. Oh, here is your slippers, Tushar. I know you like slippers. Oh, here you go. And they also have a small safe. There is another mirror here. Oh my god, it's like the third large mirror. The room is not that big, but it has everything and it's so gorgeous. And the best part of this small tiny living room, come here and look at this. So as you open the window, look at this. Look at the view from our window. So we got the water, wine, and the small treats for complimentary. This is a Moroccan wine, and this is also on the house. You want to try it?
Not sure.
And oh, look at the cute little pastries. So we already tried this one. This is so good, and we haven't tried the other two. Excited to try that. And here are some almonds. And they do have coffee. So the wine is free, but you gotta pay for the coffee if you drink coffee. And here's a mini bar. So you also have to pay for the stuff in the mini bar. So they got more water, some soda, and some more alcohols. Here's the best part, the bed. The bed, look at all the beautiful paintings right beside the bed. I also love the curtains. They're all like cotton curtains. They're so nice and big. Love the window, love the door, love everything about this room. And now let's go check out the bathroom, which is right beside the shower. And pretty small, but it's so gorgeous. How can you make something so small and so gorgeous? So they have everything you need, a hair dryer, a makeup mirror, some more towels, and one thing that I never saw in any other hotel, a wet machine. Look at that. You can check your weights after drinking all the wine. And here's the toilet. The toilet is separated from the bathroom. We get two robes. Oh, look at that. I love this. The customized robes. So beautiful, so pretty. The shower is pretty simple. They do have a rainfall shower. That's pretty good.
8 p.m. right now. We just took a quick shower, got freshened up, and now we are going out to the rooftop to get some dinner.
A chicken couscous. And can you get water?
We got our food that we ordered. What is this? Chicken couscous. And then the shrimp tempura. And the style this is our dami khabar.
They are that. We ordered 27. That's $27.
What?
And this is 27. That's 26.
Okay. So like 50 টাকার উপরে.
Yeah.
It's too expensive.
No, in hotel, this hotel is a little expensive.
হোটেলের জন্য এনে বেশি expensive.
But if you eat outside,
Because we're eating on the rooftop.
I don't really want to touch it. Oh, it seems crispy. It's a huge shrimp. The shrimp is sweet, crispy, nice.
Perfect bite. পর্তুগাল মরক্কো ওদের খাবারের এটা ভালোই আমাদের টেস্টের সাথে যায়. Even the plain food was really good. So that's one of the thing in Morocco, like you'll see cats like everywhere. On our way to the hotel, we see like cats all the place. Store রাস্তায় ঘুরতেছে, স্টোরে বসে আছে. And even in the rooftop of this hotel, they have like 5-6 cats roaming around. And we even asked the staff that if they get food or not. Seems like they give them food and they look healthy as well. So only 7 rooms in this hotel, and it's pretty quiet. Like when we first came in, we thought like we're the only one in this hotel, but it seems like we're not. There are like other people in other rooms as well, but like it's really quiet. And I guess for dinner, like everyone went out. We're the only one getting food on the rooftop restaurant. There's no one else, probably because
We just got here.
yeah, we got here and like we didn't feel like going out right now.
Right now.
Yeah, we feel so tired and everything.
So it's like 7 different types of veggies. Oh, look, this is caramelized onion. And then there should be chicken inside. Oh, here's the chicken. It smells really good.
At the sort of piece. Oh no, they have like 2 pieces.
No, there are a few pieces.
Oh, okay.
And they have chickpeas. And this is the couscous. So
Konda?
this is the couscous. That's the part.
What, this bhat?
No, it's not bhat. It's like shagu.
Oh.
It's from a plant.
Oh.
I'm gonna try to give you all different kind of veggies.
Give me the onion. Let's try the couscous.
Moroccan
What is this,
main
gajo?
dish. Yeah.
Well, just mix it up a little
Yeah.
bit with everything. How
Or
do
you
you
eat it as it is. How is it?
I have the gajo. Sweet. What is this?
Mula is it, or radish probably.
Let me cut the chicken first. Oh, it's pretty soft. Really
Oh,
soft.
Sweet.
What,
Oh,
the chicken?
Onion, oh, no, onion is.
Yeah. Oh, the chicken is really soft, like it's coming out.
How's the
Let's try it.
good chicken? The flavor is really good.
Yeah,
I like it.
still good.
Good morning, everyone. This is the next day. Right now it's about 8 a.m. in the morning, and we are gonna go to the rooftop again to get some breakfast. The breakfast is included with the room, so we're gonna go to the rooftop and try the breakfast. We don't really like sweets, but I feel like we can finish the whole basket. It's so good. This is probably the chocolate croissant.
Let me try this. Feels so light. No. Oh, I think there's chocolate. Oh, yeah.
A little bit chocolate.
Let me try this.
Yeah, try it.
Cucumber mint. Never had this before. Bruh. Shosha smell. I don't smell any mint. Yeah, it's like purely cucumber. I don't want to drink it.
Oh, they make everything look so pretty. Look at the scrambled egg.
Alright, so we got the full breakfast. The omelette.
This is the scrambled.
This is scrambled egg. Amar nabul, like I couldn't tell, like it's just egg or something. It looks like cheese. Then we got these muffins, croissants. We got the orange and cucumber juice, some jellies and butter, cheese and nuts, pancakes, and then Pre got the Moroccan tea.
The tea is really hot.
Yeah.
But I know it's good. It's so refreshing and feels so good after you drink it. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. All this is like so much food for us. I don't know how we're gonna finish it, but I know we're gonna finish this because this is really, really good. Gotta be kidding me. Okay, dip my muffin in the ketchup. Maybe not be eating this. But everything else is so much food. Just look at that. Just look at the table.
So yeah, we're gonna dig into the breakfast now.
Mm-hmm.